Hi, I'm Dr. Evie Bott, and I'm with Sexy, Sassy, and Soulful. I'm so glad I can take part in this 28-day extravaganza with you. I know it's going to change so many people's lives. Now, if you're like me, you've probably experienced some situation in the past that was abusive, either physically, mentally, emotionally, or sexually. Now, although that happened in the past, you may be carrying over some of that abusive behavior into the present, either by choosing inappropriate partners, not honoring your body by perhaps not eating correctly, eating too much, eating too little, just really not being conscious of the value that you have, the worthiness that you are in this world. Now, I know that we can choose to change our story, the trajectory of our story, just by choosing to change these little behaviors every single day. For example, today, what are you going to do to change your story? Today, I'm going to go to Kundalini Yoga, for example, because I want to get more in touch with my body. I want to honor my body. I want to work it out. I also want to go into a state of peace and relaxation at the end of yoga, and that really helps me feel centered, and it helps me honor who I am, and it makes me feel loved by myself, by the universe, by God, or what have you. So that is a way that I choose to rewrite my own story of abuse. So how are you going to do it today? And if you want, please go ahead and email me. I'd be happy to talk to you about it and maybe help you, guide you into creating a story that is absolutely amazing for you, to make you the hero or heroine of your own adventure story that is your life. So my name is Dr. Evie Bott. I'm a soul dynamics therapist and coach at www.sexysassyandsoulful.com. Also, don't forget to like me on Facebook at Sexy, Sassy, Soulful. Take care, and I'll see you later.